Metal, what you do?
Brown sugar, she a chocolate snack. Fire girl, she don't take no flack. You take this on with you and you live the room. It's incredible. I put you on the pedestal. I mean, oh, magical. You're special. In my life is a miracle. You're my antidote. You're my
Yo, Kia Swiss, line it up. We're live and die for baby. Alright, big up my friend Crocker. Just check in. What's up, cuz? Man, I have a lot of cousins in here, man. Give me one about ups. One Crocker, big up the Silvergrass crew. Big up DJ Nubs. The earlier, chill it early Nubs. I need everybody to come more forward. I'm going to start a show. Yes, just line it up. Everybody come forward. Man, y'all Chicago ladies, y'all dressed different. Y'all dressed in the summertime, y'all looking good. Alright ladies, make some nice for yourself. You look good, say hey. Yeah, come on, Chicago.
Sound.
Why shop?
Check. Yeah.
Method. They girl already like New York girl, my boy. I'm in the top good mood, you know.
Sound.
All my sexy ladies say hey. That me I talk about. Hold on now, Kia Swiss. I saw the show start now. Remember we got artists up for artists. Big up to my people. Anybody from Dangriga? Anybody from Dangriga? Anybody from Silvergrass? Big up Silvergrass. Anybody from where? Georgetown. Anybody from St. Bites? Hold on. Anybody from the city? Anybody from the Sugar City? No, that's the Sugar City. Anybody from Billy City? Big up Billy City. Anybody from Sugar City, Orange York? Hold on. That means up, yo. Big up respect, my friend, family, respect. Always love. My name is DJ Boss, the entertainer all the way from beautiful village of Hopkins, but I reside in Houston, Texas. Shop! Give me the drum machine. Hey, are you ready? Hold on. Introducing the first artist all the way from Dangriga, Johnny. Where the drummer? Martin. Where Martin there? Now start the culture. I'ma see you no believe there. Aye, start with the give me the drum machine shot. Give me ready. Boola booga.
Yeah.
Boola booga. Big up Icy all the way from Ecstasy Band. You know the Ecstasy Band? That's Icy. That's my friend.
Sound.
Martin! Hey! Don't forget Release Day weekend. I see you guys Release Day weekend. Don't forget I'm gonna be at the Flock Party. Then I'm gonna be inside the park. And then I'm gonna be after party. Then I leave again. You know what I go? Aye, start to get that down. Hey, start. From LA to New York. No, we did a Chirac. Anybody from Chicago? Boy, Chicago, they ready, boy. Yes. Yeah. Fix it up, K Swiss. Fix it up. Anybody from Waukegan crew. Big up Waukegan. Anybody from Southside Chicago? One of the best spot. Yo, Neil, big up yourself, my friend. Always. Father Neil, big up. Boy, crack up. Look at all you for Sylvester, yeah. All you want, Marshall, for Sylvester, yeah. Martin, wait. This is a past tense promotion. But Uncle Mike, you got all out, my boy. Big up Chirac. Where Martin? Alright, let's say Martin. But Martin up a big guy, no Martin. Let's make some noise for the Buckato artist, Johnny P.
Yes, indeed. Oshada. Arido la nudo weyo, arido la bado ade. Nudo weyo, arido la. Arido la nudo weyo, you do the boogie. Cable,